brand new Multimatic 255 here, giving out this error code. Show you guys the inside. Pretty cool looking board in there. It's one of the bigger boards you'll see around. Sometimes I just like looking at the electronics. But getting back to this error code, and why I always suggest looking at your owner's manual before you send it out to someone, is all it was, you see that little lead there, how it's just hanging? You just put it in and bam, fixed. Catch you guys later.